이게 쭝찜이래요. 쿤츠 파. 파. 야. 굿야.
มีชื่อเกาหลีด้วย
화라는 친구입니다. 그래서 만났어요. 아유, 더 나이ครับ
28
28. 한국 나이로 29살.
29
응. 29.
maybe 30 maybe
30? 저구가 땀카우포 제가 제일 좋아하는 거. 맨날 먹어. 이산 스타일. 이산 스타일. 능란 봄탐 랑가 랑페เยอะปักครับแต่ว่าไม่ไป hospital first ป้าคุณป้า take care of me minutes I
not been you know จากมอนเราเคยบิน
ใช่
บินเหรอ
that is broken มีปะ
จริงๆ in Thailand walkway is
ไม่รู้ชนสิผมทำหัว yeah take her hospital and I'm staying my friend's house first yeah but she have a boyfriend Korean boyfriend so I can't stay long yeah so I'm just change in กัมพูชาแต่ว่าไกล
ใช่ไกลมากไกลมาก and maybe no นะ BTS
ลามาซองทำแท็กซี่มาเที่ยวที่นี้350 บาท 25 กิโล and take a highway 50 บาท
ไกลมากไกลมาก
so I'm today take a hotel โรงแรมดีกว่า
ยูเลนโอเคดีกว่า
ครับมันก็ผมทำแท็กซี่700 take a highway plus 50 บาทโอ้700
ถ้าเกิดยูเรนจัส
I'm stay Lama Song 1 month but visit is 10 time just 10 time but I'm pay taxi only taxi price is 7,500 baht so I think about oh I can't visit here so I'm 2 weeks stay home in my room not going anywhere
ใช่
so I'm video edit only
maybe you need to stay near BTS airport
yeah
airport or is the best maybe you can buy a cheap condo or apartment
밥을 다 먹었어요. 무슨 주차장 파킹 스탬프 받아야 된다고. 그래, 찾았다.
Night market in Thailand have a lot ใช่สีนักคลิน
ใช่ซีนักคาริน
อยู่ไปมาแล้วสีนักคลินอร่อยโต
อ๋อ
ใช่นิวแล้วก็แฮปนิวมาร์เก็ตว่าคำตาเป็นอะไรเนี่ย
ผมไม่รู้กรุงเทพ
เพราะว่าไม่ไปไม่ไปใช่
คุณไม่มีป้ายเยอะ
เวิร์กไง
여기가 파킹? 아.
เดี๋ยวมาดู วันปี
오케이. 그러면 뭐 집에 가야지 뭐.
อ่ะ
빠이반 해야지.
ใช่
응.
เจบี
You
ตัวนี้ก่อนนะ
4-2 홈런 ใช่ไหม
I will set you to hotel นะ Where will you hotel? Near
아니야. 나 든 해도 돼.
No I can
거기 롯짓 여 프라람 까오.
cannot ไม่ทางผ่าน you know pass I pass this way ไงพี่คอสไปโฮมอยู่ตรงนู้นนะ
뭐라는지 모르겠는데.
นี่ I will เคมก่อนนะ เคมแม่ค่ะก่อน
아.
ใช่เคมก่อน เคม before
근데 왜 테이프로? 테이프 하면 안 돼, 마이다.
พี่คอสมันบล็อกเคนไง
아.
ต้องขีดไว้ก่อนว้าวโอเค
오케이. 아, 그렇게. 아, 여기 지나간다고? 아, 그렇구나. 안경 쓰는구나. 원래 안경 써야 되는구나. 이렇게 친구가 됐습니다. 파.
ฟ้าจริงๆมีชื่อเกาหลี
ฟ้า
ฟ้าใช่
하늘.
ฮานึนเนี่ยแต่ว่าชื่อเกาหลีชื่อฮายอง
내 친구 이름도 화만간이는
ฮายองเหรอ
하늘
ฮานึน
하늘
อัน
스카이.
นี้ทีเชอร์คนเรียนทีเชอร์
다 술집에만 사람이 많구나. 술집에 사람이 많네. 친구를 만나고 나서 숙소에 왔고 새로운 숙소를 알아보려고 합니다. 싼 곳을 최대한 찾아서 한 달 동안 이제 그 새로운 숙소에서 지내볼 예정입니다. 이제 방콕에 있으면서 이제 음식 같은 거를 이제 먹으려고 하고 또 가게들 추천이나 이쁜 카페들을 가볼 생각입니다. 여행을 해보려고 합니다. 방콕 여행은. 지금 숙소 알아보러 나왔습니다. 지금 걸어가고 있어요. 그 숙소 보러. 여기는 일단 라차다비라는 곳이고 되게 로컬 플레이스. 새로운 친구가 있는데 이 친구가 알아봐 줬습니다. 위시시암 여긴 것 같아요. 여기구나. 항상 이분이 이제 보여주는 것 같아. 방. 여기 와싱머신 있고 샤워빈 있네.
여기구나.
ที่นี่นะครับก็จะมีฟิตเนสกับสระว่ายน้ำฟิตเนสใช้ได้
피트니스 있고. 풀도 있고.
แล้วก็ด้านนอกจะมีสระว่ายน้ำ
스위밍.
스위밍
저기 밖에 스위밍 풀.
you can use ส่วนมากเป็นแบบ
이걸로는 만족이 안 되는데?
ก็ตอนนี้เขากำลังปรับซื้อปรับอะไรก็เก็บงานนี้หน่อยก็เริ่มใช้ได้ตอนนี้ใช้ได้แล้วนี่ก็ใช้ได้หมดครับ Thailand people like to watch Korean movie and
코리안 시리. 잘. 이렇게. 이 사람이 살고 있네. 그래서 제대로 보질 못하겠네. 와시머신 있고.
ก็คือต้องซื้อได้ครับ
일단 요리는 못할 것 같아. 화장실. 이미 사람이 살고 있어가지고 제대로 못 보겠네. 워싱머신.
ใช่มีวอชิ่งแมชชีนแล้วก็มีวอเตอร์ฮีเตอร์ให้
오케이.
ก็เขาก็แฮปปี้ด้วยแล้วก็ทางคุณดูก็ได้โอเคด้วยใช่ผมว่ามันพอดีกันเป๊ะเลย
คือมันดีนะแบบระเบียงกว้าง
나쁘지 않은데. 그래서 하와이. 오늘은 무엇을 할 거냐면은 어제부터 계속 숙소를 찾아다녔어요. 그리고 계속 보고 오늘은 다시 라마성으로 돌아갈 건데 돌아가기 전에 4년 전에 제가 태국에 왔을 때 처음으로 만났던 태국 사람이 있어요. 그 친구랑 또 연락이 어떻게 돼가지고 다시 연락을 해봤는데 갑자기 왔어요. 그래가지고 그 친구를 오늘 만날 겁니다. 4년 전에 만났던 첫 태국 사람을 오늘 다시 만날 겁니다. 그래서 약간 되게 기분이 묘해요. 4년 전에 만났던 사람을 또 4년 후에 오늘 만나는 거기 때문에 좀 신기합니다. 일단 이동하겠습니다. 지금 아마존 카페라는 곳에 왔고 지금 기다리고 있어요, 친구를. 이제 친구가 거의 다 도착했대요. 마중을 가고 있어요. 오!